Welcome to this quick essential guide on protecting your skin from air conditioner damage. First, remember to hydrate. Drinking plenty of water is key to maintaining balanced moisture levels in your skin. Second, moisturize. After washing your face, apply a thick, hydrating moisturizer to lock in moisture. Third, consider using a humidifier. This device can help maintain optimal indoor humidity levels, ideally between 40 to 60%. Fourth, use a face mist. Keep it handy for those times when your skin feels dry. Fifth, limit the use of soap and water to areas prone to dryness. And lastly, try to limit your dependence on air conditioning, especially in your office. Only switch on the air conditioning during the hot summer months. Stay tuned for more essential tips.